Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2017 Jaguar F-Pace V6 S. Now this is the 3-litre V6 diesel engine through the 8-speed silky smooth ZF gearbox. Now this car has over £6,000 worth of factory options and mustn't be compared to a lower spec vehicle. As I go around it, I'll highlight the factory options on it and give you a price. I've got the build sheet on the vehicle, so let's take a look. Now this is a 17 plate car, so for those of you, this now has dropped out of the luxury car tax bracket, so it's not £550 a year to tax it, it's just the standard 160 odd, whatever it is. So just check the tax bracket on our website. Now the car itself is finished in glacier white or Yulong white metallic paint. So this is a metallic paint finish, arguably one of the best colours that Jaguar Land Rover offer on their cars. They do a Fuji white and then they do a glacier white, which is this particular colour as a factory option. Now this car on the outside of it has the exterior black styling package, which is the black detail into the plastics, and then it's sat on the 22-inch alloy wheels. Now they are wonderful. As you can see there, the S then gets the red calipers with the embossing. This one's got the factory side steps on as well in aluminium detail. So as we go around it now, exterior black styling pack is the power vents in the wings are nicely black. Now the black wing mirror caps are on an S model. We've got the black detailing around the mirrors, and also that leads on to the window surrounds. We've got the black detail on the roof bars, and as we come down to the bottom of the doors, the side trim is also in the high gloss black finish. As you can see there, we've got a panoramic opening glass roof. Again, a factory option of roughly around about £1,700. The alloy wheels on the 22s are £1,650. Exterior black package on top of that also. Side steps are roughly about £750. Now the paintwork in this car is absolutely as it was when it left the factory. It's in beautiful high gloss finish. Our detailers have done a full external machine detailing on this vehicle to a very, very high standard. All the wheels are in absolutely perfect condition. Every wheel is no curbs or anything on it. The tyres are all fantastic on the rubber. Very, very nice all the way round. Now this one has then got the factory option on the rear. With the S having two tailpipes, they've opted for the high gloss bottom surround on the bumper. And then as you can see, we've got the S decal on the boot as well as the all-wheel drive. Now we've got a reversing camera as well as parking sensors front and rear, and then we've also got the space saver spare wheel, which is always a real nice option on these particular cars with such large wheels. Tailgate then is electric and drops down very, very easy. The car looks amazing in this sunshine today here in Wigan. Shows off all the lines. We love these F-Paces here in Alpha Motors. We've always got 2 or 3 in. This one's got the keyless as well, so just push your hand on there and it locks and unlocks. But as I look down the side of the car, that again is in the high gloss perfect finish. Everything about this is a yes from me. Completely and totally desirable. You can purchase this in complete confidence from this video. We do a lot. Check out our Facebook page. You'll see customers from all over the UK collecting cars offers. Having reserved them, we've got them ready, and then they've come and collected after watching this video. So we've got ambient lighting, so we can change that lights around the car into different colours. This car has the black centres with the red outsides. We can have the red insides with the black outsides. Have a look on our website, we've got a couple of them as well. S's get the embossed headrest, which just looks wonderful. The interior on this is amazing. Just look at it. There is a sense of occasion on this. It's a wow all the way. The more you look at it, the more wonderful it becomes. Now this car's got a cold climate pack as well. So cold climate pack is heated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel. Driver's seat is memory. We've got Meridian surround sound system. We've also got power folding mirrors. This vehicle's got lane change assistance, or lane change warning. We've got then the full tailored mat set. As I jump in, I've got the glass sunroof open, and you can have a sun blind there as well. I'll just fire her up. The seats are perforated, so you don't really get too hot when it's not, but we do have heated seats as well. Contrast red stitch runs throughout the vehicle. Heated front windscreening for winter. That's a part of a cold climate pack as well. Heated seats are on that button there, and then you just switch them on. I like them on in summer as well as winter. High gloss black internal finish is in lovely order. As I say, this car is a lovely car and has been well kept. 47,810 miles. And then as we go onto the system there, then we've got satellite navigation, standard touchscreen for Jaguar Land Rover products, media, phone, climate, and then if we always go back to the home screen, press it on, InControl apps, Wi-Fi, cameras, ambient lighting. So as I said, you can change the colour of it. If you want blue, have it blue, or you can go to red, so you can choose that. Kids love that, my children love it on theirs. But the gloss detail runs the console, everything about it. Automatic headlamps, automatic wipers. We've then got the S embossed on the steering wheel, but that's a lovely, lovely cabin. Lovely, easy to use for systems. Inside the centre, we've got 12 volt as well. And then this is a lockable glove box, and that again, you can, there's our service before it's gone on sale. I've took a picture of everything on the service documentation, a mix of Jaguar and specialist dealers. But as I say, before it leaves us here in Wigan, it will go through our pre-delivery inspection process. It will also have our nationwide guarantee. Everything's HPI clear here on our retail side of the business. So if you would like to reserve this car, give us a call here in Wigan. I'll take a £250 reservation deposit. That will then prepare it so that you only need to come to our store once and collect the vehicle at a pre-arranged time. If you've got a part exchange, we'll give you a price. If you need finance, give us a call and we'll also do that. Check out our Facebook page, our socials. You'll see lots of customers coming from all over the UK, having spoke to myself or Dom or Lee, and then reserve the car and we'll get it ready for you. So as for now, thanks for watching this video and I look forward to your inquiry.